Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome back to Tesla's Wild. If you're new here, my name is Colin, and again, these are quick tip videos, so I'm not going to do the entire intro. I was at the drag strip again tonight for some racing with the Tesla Model 3 Performance, and when I do this, I actually remove the backseat cushion from the Tesla Model 3 just to save some weight. As I was putting it in, it actually occurred to me that this might be useful for other people. Even if you're not racing, it saves like 5, 10, 15 pounds, maybe 15 in total. But it also helps with storage room. So when you lay the seats down normally, they kind of poke up a little bit. It's not a totally flat surface. So removing this backseat cushion actually allows the back seats to fold down flatter, and you can fit more in and a more level surface. So as you can see, these seats don't lay flat. They are at an angle, kind of comes up from a flat bed in the back to an angle. And this is true for the other side as well. So removing the back seat will actually allow you to create a much flatter surface back here. So in order to start removing the back seat, there is a clip you just run your fingers along, and it's right about a foot from the edge of the vehicle. You'll feel a little clip. You pull towards you, and then you just pull up on the seat, and you'll notice that it comes up partially. And now the other is about a foot from the other side, just by running your fingers in between the crease here beneath the seat cushion and this back wall. Pull towards you and lift up on the seat. Okay, so we now have the seat fully released. You can see it just comes totally up here. So what we're gonna wanna do is partially dislodge it. So pull it towards the front of the vehicle. Don't pull it too far because there are two clips in here. Is a clip here. I believe this is either the heated seats or the seatbelt warnings or the pressure sensors to let it know there is a passenger inside the vehicle. This is usually clipped in right against this wall here, but I did pop it out. So there is a little lever right on the edge of it. As with any clip, so you push down on that and pull it apart. Now the other is on the other side, but this is the same situation, another big clip. It is usually pressed in here, but I did dismount that. Also has a little clip on the edge that you push down and pull to separate. And at that point, the seat is fully enabled to come out. It's not super heavy. Yes, so this is what it looks like in the back seat with no back seat cushion. It is smart to put a towel down here if you're going to use it for extended use because you don't want these white seats to get dirty. You can see as we lay the seat down, we actually get a much flatter surface. So now putting it in is slightly a pain, but start by getting it into place and connect your first connector over here. Go back to the other side and connect the other connector. There is a set of two seat belts, as we can see here. One is longer, so you're going to want to fish that one through first. So as you can see, we pulled that seatbelt clip through, and what you need to do from here is just make sure that you get it aligned with the others. From here, you're just going to push it in, and make sure that you get those seatbelt clips aligned so that they're not pressing up on any of the fabric. Put some weight on each one, and your seat gets clipped into place. It is okay to use some force. All right, so there we have it. That is how you remove the backseat cushion in a Tesla Model 3. As I said, I do this every single time when I go to the drag strip because it saves about 15 pounds. And really the only way that you can increase performance on this is by decreasing weight. However, as I said, it's not the only benefit. You can lay those seats down much flatter and put a mattress or store much more. I would suggest laying down a towel if you are going to use it like this and put the seats down. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you guys next video.